Wow, what a stunning and dramatic transformation to start off the video. I love how much volume this pixie has. She looks absolutely amazing. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more fall hair transformations. So if you've been on the hunt for a brand new fall hairstyle, you've come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So another great way that you can mix things up this season is by adding in some color. Now she has some absolutely gorgeous natural curly strands, and the stylist is adding some color to her hair. Now she does get a full makeover with this one, makeup and all. And there is the final result. Now with color, you're definitely going to instantly brighten up your complexion. It is a great way to just kind of highlight your skin tone. Just make sure that you go with a color that brings out your particular color. Very pretty. Next up, we have another color transformation. This one features a very popular look of someone going blonde. Very nice. She does have the face framing color with the blonde going there. And then we have a haircut transformation. So she starts off with hair around shoulder length. Oh, wow, look at this pixie. She ended up getting the very popular asymmetrical shape with this one. Hair longer on one side versus the other. Very nice. Next up, looks like we have another color change. Wow, look at that copper. That was absolutely beautiful. And then we have someone adding some instant volume to their hair with the use of a topper. This is like a great way to mix in some volumized strands, make your hair appear bigger and thicker. You can do so with extensions. So here's another example of that clip-in topper. Great way to get an instant volumized look. And this looks very natural too. Very cute style idea. Oh, beautiful red pixie makeover. Wow. I love the cut, the overall shape of this pixie style, and the color definitely takes things up a notch. Very cute. All right, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.